Health benefits of krill oil with source. Benefits: excellent source of healthy fats. Can help fight inflammation. Might reduce arthritis and joint pain. Could improve blood lipids and heart health. May help manage PMS symptoms. It's easy to add to your routine. California Gold Nutrition Antarctic Krill Oil Review. Description: RIMFROST Antarctic Krill Oil sourced from the pristine Southern Ocean. Ultra-high omega-3 phospholipid complex with astaxanthin and choline. High in naturally occurring astaxanthin, not fortified. Helps support healthy heart, brain, eyes and liver. Phospholipids aid in the efficient transfer of essential nutrients to the body's cells. No gluten. No GMOs. No soy. Natural strawberry lemon flavor. A dietary supplement. 100% gold guarantee. Antarctic krill oil affords many benefits, but not all krill oil is created equal. California Gold Nutrition features RIMFROST Antarctic Krill Oil sourced responsibly from the pristine waters of the Southern Ocean. Sustainable plus traceable plus transparent plus gently processed equals premium quality krill oil you can trust. Suggested use: take 1 softgel daily with or without food, or as directed by your qualified healthcare professional. Other ingredients: fish gelatin softgel capsule, gelatin, from tilapia, glycerin, water, natural strawberry and lemon flavors. Contains fish and crustacean shellfish. This product is not manufactured with milk, eggs, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy or gluten. Produced in third-party, audited and registered CGMP-compliant facility that may process as other products that contain these allergens or ingredients. Warnings: keep out of the reach of children, pregnant or lactating women, the chronically ill, elderly, individuals under the age of 18, those taking prescription medications, e.g., blood thinners, as well as those with a physician-diagnosed medical condition should consult with a physician, pharmacist, naturopath or other qualified healthcare professional prior to taking dietary supplement. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.